Asphalt Paver, A is for Asphalt Paver, laying roads so we can ride. B is for backhoe loader, B is for backhoe loader, digging deep in one big sweep. C is for crane, C is for crane, lifting beams up higher again. D is for dump truck, D is for dump truck, carrying loads and pouring muck. E is for earth mover, E is for earth mover, pushing soil to make it smoother. F is for forklift, F is for forklift, lifting crates so strong and swift. G is for grader, G is for grader, G-loader, making roads all smooth and straighter. H is for harvester, H is for harvester, cutting crops to help us faster. I is for industrial tractor, I is for industrial tractor, pulling loads with power and factor. J is for jumbo drill, J is for jumbo drill, drilling tunnels through the hill. K is for knuckle boom crane, K is for knuckle boom crane, lifting logs in sun or rain. L is for log loader, L is for log loader, stacking wood like a strong holder. M is for mixer truck, M is for mixer truck, spinning concrete round and stuck. N is for narrow gauge train, N is for narrow gauge train, carrying loads through dirt and rain. O is for oil tanker truck, O is for oil tanker truck, crew delivering fuel so engines run quick. P is for pile driver, P is for pile driver, pounding deep to make towers higher. Q is for quarry truck, Q is for quarry truck, carrying rocks with power and luck. R is for road roller, R is for road roller, pressing roads to make them fuller. S is for skid steer loader, S is for skid steer loader, moving dirt with power and order. T is for tower crane, T is for tower crane, lifting high again and again. U is for utility vehicle, U is for utility vehicle, helping workers, it's so practical. V is for vibratory compactor, V is for vibratory compactor, cut, pressing dirt to make ground stronger. W is for wheel loader, W is for wheel loader, lifting rocks so spinning power, lifting rocks like a brave soldier. X is for X-ray scanner truck, X is for X-ray scanner truck, checking cargo quick and tough. Y is for yard truck, Y is for yard truck, moving crates never stuck. Z is for zero-turn mower, Z is for zero-turn mower, cutting grass with spinning power. Run from A to Z, big and strong, construction vehicles work all day long.